Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Goa reports 2 cases of suspected swine flu. Both are Goans. After Dr. Willy's exit, NCP leaders now demand a new president, pledged to strengthen the party. No plans to join the Congress, claims Dr. Willy, but hints at reviving the Goa Rajiv Congress. Sports City may become a reality. Government to drop over 40% of cultivable land. And June to also bring rain of films from our neighbouring countries. Now the news in detail. Goa has reported 2 suspected swine flu cases. Incidentally, both are Goans. One young person has been admitted in the isolation ward at Chikli Health Centre. The other, a woman, has been shifted to the Goa Medical College. Not a single case, however, has been confirmed of swine flu.
A man who had arrived from UK has been kept at isolation ward at Chikli Health Centre. The second swine flu suspect is a lady who arrived in Goa on Thursday morning from Sharjah. This lady has been kept under observation in GMC. State health officials, however, say that there is no need to worry as the report on these samples is yet to come. According to state epidemiologist Rajendra Tamba, the department has taken all the necessary precautions. They are also prepared to start the treatment if the samples are found positive.
As of now, right now as I talk to you, there is no case of confirmed swine flu in Goa, right? But there are going to be a few people who will need testing because they come from countries outside India and they develop symptoms. The first patient has come from UK. It's a male, a 41-year-old male. And the second patient is, I think, around 35 years female. She has come from Sharjah. And both samples will go and then we'll find out what is the result. After 2 days, if there is a need, we'll take further steps. Yes, there is a medicine in the sense we have this oseltamivir. We have oseltamivir, which is commonly known as Tamiflu. This is an antiviral drug which acts against swine flu also.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar, from Panji, senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar, and video journalist Ganesh Otkar for Prudent Media.
Goa's Nationalist Congress party leaders, including 2 MLAs, have demanded that a new party president be elected immediately. After Dr. Wilfred D'Souza quit the party on Tuesday, the rest of the leaders have also decided to strengthen the party further.
It was made visible today that all is not over in NCP after Dr. Willy quit the party. The NCP leaders met in Panji on Wednesday, including 2 MLAs. Miki Pashiko is out of station. They have urged the High Command to immediately elect a new president for Goa.
Only after 18, because we are having a meeting in Delhi that reorganize the all party level and states level. So there will be a meeting, and that meeting we may decide, put up our proposal to our High Command, Sharad.
So any names has been finalized?
So far no, because what happened till now we don't know about the resignation of Dr. Wilfred D'Souza. The High Command, they will decide about this resolution, then they will convey it. Accordingly, we will go ahead.
Philip in fact claimed that Dr. Willy's resignation will help the party to grow at much faster pace than in the past.
There is absolutely no dispute. You have seen there are 4 or 5 vice presidents are with us here. To be the all three MLAs are with us here. We are together. When we are together, there is absolutely no problem.
So what will be the future of NCP in Goa?
There will be a bright future for the NCP of Nationalist Congress Party in Goa State.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
NCP President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza, who quit the party on Tuesday, has claimed that he has no plans of joining the Congress. He is also not planning to form a new political group. Surprisingly, however, Dr. Willy says that his old Goa Rajiv Congress still exists.
Dr. Wilfred D'Souza resigned on Tuesday from NCP's primary membership. 27 executive members also followed him. Right now, I have no immediate plans, he told the media persons on Wednesday. He prefers to adopt a wait-and-watch policy.
At the moment, nothing. We are not going to do anything. How things turn out, we will see. But we are not going to do anything. We are not going to go and seek admission to this party or that party. Who have been elected on the symbol of the NCP. Now their position becomes very difficult because of the 10th schedule. Now they have to decide for themselves what they will do.
It is anybody's guess that Willie will now go back to his old party, the Congress. But he has flatly denied of having met Congress President Sonia Gandhi when he was in Delhi.
There are rumors that I am supposed to join Congress. Rumors. Nothing more than rumors.
Did you meet Sonia Gandhi?
No.
Goa Pradesh Congress Chief Subhash Shirodkar also did not appear very enthusiastic about Willie's homecoming. It was not his usual style. Anybody is welcome to the Congress. Instead, he has taken a guarded position. We spoke to him over phone little before he boarded a flight to Delhi.
कोणी यायला गेल्या खुशी असतली कारण काँग्रेस पक्ष हो वाडपाक जाय हय पूण जे सोपस्कार जावपाक जाय येवपाक म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्री ताणी पयलीं म्हणपाक जाय सांगपाक जाय न्ही ताणी म्हणचे पयलीं आमी शीतफुडें मीठ कित्याक खावप
हय पूण येयल्यार तुमी घेतले शुवर
कितें म्हटलें
तो ते येयले फुड्यान सरले जाल्यार तुमी
आयकय आयली नंतर म्हजें पयलें काम हायकमांडाक कळोवपाचें.
Dr. Willie also denied that there was any pressure from NCP leadership in Delhi to quit the party.
Not at all. Nothing relating to leadership of the party came up. In fact, he told me that I will come here in 15 days and meet you in Goa and we'll have a discussion. So the question of he is making any suggestion to me does not arise.
If not Congress, will Willie float yet another new party now, like he had formed the Goa Rajiv Congress? When asked, Dr. Willie's reply was surprising. He said the Goa Rajiv Congress still exists.
What about Rajiv Congress? Rajiv Congress is still there.
Is there?
It's not dissolved.
Is there? Who says it's not there?
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Sunny Narvikar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. After the break, watch confusion over proposed sports city and Banani villagers demand dissolution of Panchayat body. Stay tuned.